Good morning, children. Welcome to your computer class. In today's class, we are going to finish World of Internet. Today's class will start with parts of browser window. Browser is the main display window through which we can view every pages of Internet. Any browser comes fitted with number of other tools. Commonly found means on browser are File, Edit, View, History, Bookmarks, Tools, etc. Different menus have different options. Google is one of the best example of web browser. Now web browser has different options like back button, address bar, refresh button, home option, forward button, stop button, go button, etc. In today's class, we will discuss some of them. Number 1. Address bar. Address bar is the rectangular area known as text field in a web browser. The address bar identifies the location on the web and allows users to access different websites. The address bar is also known as location bar, and the address bars are located at the top of the browser window. Users enters the address of any web page through the address bar. Now we will learn how to use it. Any users can edit the text to move the next location. For example, clicking the mouse in the address bar allows us to change the address or delete it and enter a new one. The address entered into the address bar is known as the URL or Uniform Resource Locator. Refresh button. Refresh option is very important and essential operation in the web browser. This reloads the content of any web page with the most current data. Refreshing helps one to visualize the content of files. In every web browser, there is a refresh button. Any web page contains different items or contents which changes very frequently. For example, the data of cricket match can change very frequently. By clicking on the refresh button, the recently published changes can be visualized. Refresh button performs the task of refreshing. Now, the favorite option. There are millions of websites on the web. These different websites have their respective URL. It is difficult to remember all the URLs of different websites. The preferred websites can be stored in a folder with the title of web pages. The folder is known as favorite. When you add a favorite, it is stored into favorite folder. Anyone can change the title that is stored in your favorites. How to add any URL in the favorite? Step 1. Visit the website. Step 2. Select the pull down menu. Step 3. Choose Add to Favorites. Step 4. A dialog box appears. It asks you to choose which favorite folder to add the URL or to create any new folder. Step 5. Select the appropriate folder and press OK. In this way, we can save the URL in the favorite. Now we will talk about the history option. When anybody accesses different websites from the web browser, the detailed list of websites visited will be saved in the computer memory. This list of websites visited is called history. The website stored in the history can be viewed by date, time of the day, titles, addresses, etc. You can see the different visited websites from the history menu. How to view history? Step 1. Click on the history menu on the browser. Step 2. Click on the option Show All History. A library window will open and this will show you all the history of the visited websites. In this way, we can see the history of our search. Now we will talk about home page. In any web page, the home page is the first web page. This page is displayed after starting a web browser. Home page can be set by anyone. One can specify that there will be no home pages. In that case, the first page from the bookmark list is used to enter the web address. Home button is used to return anybody to their default web page. This is the same web page that was loaded when the browser was first opened. Now we will talk about back and forward. Back button is used in web browser to visit the previous pages which are related to the page you are viewing currently. This button is looked like an arrow toward left direction. Forward button moves forward a page. This button works if only the back button is used. If you have not pressed back button, it will be shown as grayed out. Now, stop button. This is the special button found on web browser. The main function of this button is to stop any web page from loading. In some of the web browser, the stop operation can be executed by pressing the ESC key or the escape key on the keyboard. Now, new tab option. New tab is the new web page opened in the same browser window. In order to open any new tab, we have to click on the plus symbol of any already opened web page in the browser window. The browser shows different recent views of different web pages. Any of the web pages can easily be picked up from the group of web pages shown. Now we will learn some internet related terms. First, www or World Wide Web. www or World Wide Web is related to internet. It is the connection of different networks and computers. World Wide Web defines the total web spaces where we get different web pages. These web pages and related websites are spread across the whole world. We can search for any information in the internet. Access to different information is done by the World Wide Web system. Browsing web pages, searching information, sending mails, chatting with friends can be done by World Wide Web concept. Now, the URL or Uniform Resource Locator. It is the address in any web page. When we write any address of web page in the address bar, this is known as Uniform Resource Locator or the URL. URL is the string containing file name and the search location. When the URL is specified, the location and the file is searched, and finally the file is shown in the web browser. For example, the URL www.gmail.com opens the web page for Gmail. Anyone can access the mail from the web browser. Now we will learn what is net surfing. Net surfing means browsing web pages in internet. We can use search engines for searching any web page. Sometimes we write the URL in the address bar and the web page opens in the browser. One web page is connected to other web page by link called hyperlink. By clicking on the hyperlink, one can move from one page to another page, one website to another website. Different people surf internet for different purposes. Doctors surf internet for getting information of medicines and different diseases. Engineers surf for different technological updates and knowledge. Students surf internet for getting varieties of information from the internet. And lastly, we will learn about ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. This is the organization which provides internet connection to different people or organization. For accessing internet, users has to take internet connection or internet services. ISP provides this service to the users. Users have to pay for the services they are getting from the ISP. Local ISP is the kind of ISP which provides services to the users who are living in any particular zone. VSNL is one type of ISP. Like VSNL, Sifi.com is also acting as an ISP. Now children, the full form of VSNL is Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. So this was all about today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, take care and goodbye.